Alright, YouTubers, D-Doc here again. Went to the gas station, got a couple gallons of gas, put it in the gas tank. Let's dick around with this here 74 F250 with the 390 cubic inch engine and see if we can't get it started. Here goes nothing. Hey. After 20 years of not running, it sounds like this engine is up and doing it. No temperature to speak of yet. Not showing me having any oil pressure. I'll have to check the connections on the lines and make sure I got them hooked up correctly. Showing just a little bit of gas in the tank. But as you can hear, sounds like it's running good. Let's try a little, see if we got clutch action. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Got a little clutch action. So, now that it's running, time to clean out the back end here. Get all the junk off the flatbed. Move the Crown Victoria, get this out of the garage into the backyard and get that Crown Victoria fired up and backed into the garage so I can work on it. Catch you later.